Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be making a Wonder Woman pencil case, and it's very easy to make. You only need foam sheets, hot glue, and a zipper. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first, cut out the foam sheets like this, and the color should be like this as well. Except from these, you will need two rectangles measuring 8.5 cm by 4 cm and one rectangle measuring 24 cm by 4 cm for the base and sides. You can use white color or black color. You also need to make a Wonder Woman logo on a yellow foam sheet and cut it out like this. If you're new to my channel, then you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications, and this way you'll never miss any upload from my channel. After cutting, the logo should look like this. Now take the red foam sheet and divide it by half equally, and both sides should be equal to 4.3 cm. Now take the blue rectangle measuring 24 cm by 4.3 cm and place it onto the red foam sheet in the lower part. Now place the Wonder Woman logo onto it and cut out the blue sheet where the Wonder Woman logo is overlapping it. If you're cutting the foam sheet using a cutter, then obviously go ahead and take help from an elder if you're under 16. Now paste this onto the red foam sheet using a hot glue gun. Now paste the Wonder Woman logo onto the foam sheets like this. After you're done with that and the hot glue has cooled down, then flip it over and cut out any extra foam sheet that is sticking out. Now take the blue foam sheet that you've cut according to the length of the zipper and paste it onto the zipper. You should make sure that after the hot glue gun has dried, it is easy for you to open and close the zipper. Now take the two rectangles I mentioned earlier and paste them onto the back side of the red foam sheet. Right now these are white, but then I thought that it would get dirty easily, and then I pasted black foam sheet onto it. Also paste the longer rectangle for the base with it. Both will be black at the end of the video. And then paste the back of the pencil case with the hot glue gun as well. And now last but not least comes the zipper. So this is the end result. I was very happy with the result, and this is a pencil case which you can definitely take to school, and overall I just love this DIY. So this was all from today's video. If you enjoyed it and if you're a Wonder Woman fan, then hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for watching more videos. Bye everyone!